Hi. So we're starting a new module now, Module 10. And in Module 10, we're going to physically graph equations of lines. So when we graph these equations of lines, there are several different methods we could use. We're going to start out with something called a t-table. And it's called a t-table mainly because when you look at it, the way people draw it, sometimes it looks like a lowercase t. But that's neither here nor there. In algebra, we don't just work things out to get answers to ordered pairs, plot points. Why do we plot points? We're not going to plot points just to connect dots and make cute little pictures, although they are nice. We use that to interpret and get a visual representation of the equations that we like to solve. So in order to get this t-table, you have to understand and remember what substitution means and what evaluation means. First, substitution, what is it? Substitution means that you're going to take one value and you're going to plug it in place of something else. So, for instance, you're going to have a t-table on the slide. We're going to take the values that I give you that have been given to us in that t-table. We're going to substitute them into our equation, the y equals x plus 5. Then once we do the substitution, we're going to evaluate that equation. And we're going to solve for whatever letter is left over. Now, when we do this, the answers that we get are going to be ordered pairs. And we're going to plot those ordered pairs on a graph. And then once we do, as long as we do it correctly, as long as we did our math correctly, then when we graph it, we should be able to connect our dots and make our straight line. Now, how many points does it take to make that straight line? Well, you need at least 2. Most of the time in algebra, we like to use 3. Some people use 4 or 5, but 3 is usually the standard minimum number of points, just to ensure that you get a nice, clean, straight line. Okay, so follow me to the board, and we're going to work out this t-table and then plot our points.